Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down what matters: your controls, your mobility, and the exact victory condition. Calibrate sensitivity, bind a quick dodge, and pick an ink tool that balances range and refill speed. Once done, move immediately to claim high ground or choke points that let your ink spread efficiently. You're aiming to create pressure while conserving ammo. Keep strokes short and deliberate. Make those first moves count, because early area control forces opponents into mistakes and opens tempo for later pushes. Now you execute sustained control. Focus on denying routes, paint corridors, and teleport choke points so enemies waste time and ink. Alternate between burst shots to pressure and short sprints to refill. This keeps you mobile and stocked. Once you've painted lanes, use your secondary to zone opponents without overcommitting and bait them into exposed positions. Make sure to communicate timing if teammates exist. Synchronized ultimates or pushes around one painted corridor overwhelm defenders. Keep the tempo tight. You close by forcing a decisive advantage. Synchronize a final push with the objective timer or enemy respawn windows so they can't counter effectively. Use your ultimate to break stalemates, drop it where it denies cover and follow up immediately. Pair it with teammate crowd control for maximum effect. If the plan fails, don't throw safety away. Reset to defensive painting, deny approaches, and wait for opponents to make reckless moves. Troubleshooting tip: when stuck, scale back and bait errors rather than chase impossible fights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.